Stampin' friends, it's Judi Anderson with JudiStamps.com bringing you another Tuesday tip. Have you ever found yourself wanting to do a polka dot background in a certain color, but you don't have the designer series paper that matches what you want to do? Well, fear not. I'm going to show you how to make your own polka dot background paper for your cards or your scrapbooks or your paper craft projects today. You're going to need a couple items, one being the large polka dot embossing folder, a piece of cardstock to match your project. The first time I'm going to show you, we're going to be using our craft white ink and a sponge dauber. Let's get started. I move this all out of the way and pull out my Big Shot. You will need your Big Shot tab 1 on your platform. You're going to put a bottom plate in. Take your cardstock in the preferred color and go ahead and put that in your embossing folder. Close it up, place it on your plate, put your top plate on, and we're going to wind it on through the machine. Now, as usual, I don't have much room on my camera space, so I'm going to go backwards too, but you don't have to do that when you're doing it in your craft room or at your table. Okay, we're going to remove that, remove all this, get it out of the way. And now what you're left with is this piece of cardstock with the polka dots on it. See it? There we go. Better lots. See all those polka dots? Okay, well, we want to color those. And for this one, I wanted to do it in the Whisper White. You could also use it in a black if you're doing a Halloween card, or even the same color, the polka dots will show up, or even our basic gray. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your sponge dauber, just ink it up a little bit. I twist it, and on each of those dots we're just going to twist some ink on there. Ink it up when it looks like you're needing more ink, and it's just this quick. Look how fast I am creating my own polka dot pattern. Now you really don't have to have the polka dot embossing folder. However, it gives your dots some dimension. That's it. Isn't that fun? Look at that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of Whisper White cardstock. For time's sake, I've already embossed it with the large polka dots. Let's see if we can see that. There we go. See the large polka dots on there? And I'm going to choose some colors, and the colors I'm going to be working with today are the Cucumber Crush, the Crushed Curry, and our oh, excuse me, and our Watermelon Wonder inks. And in the same way, I've got my sponge daubers. And how you can keep your sponge daubers, a little tip here, is so you know what color they go to. I just store them in a container, and I've put their names on the sides, so I know which color they go. That way I don't have to wash them out every time I use them. I set them next to the ink that they go with, and we're going to start with the Cucumber Crush. And I'm just going to choose sporadically some different little dots to color in, and not do too many. Try to form some kind of a pattern, but you don't have to be exact. Sometimes your colors will be together and sometimes they won't. If you want to do all three colors at the same time, you can, to make sure you get even distribution of your colors. And then this is the Crushed Curry. And just see how quickly this is. Now, depending on what you're going to use your paper for, you won't see all of the dots because you're going to layer on top of this. I'm going to show you a couple cards that I made using this technique. Here's the one with the Watermelon Wonder Cucumber Crush and the Crushed Curry. It's a little suspension card using our Sprinkles of Life set, which is our Ronald McDonald set, and then I just covered or carried the pattern of the 3 dots on the inside of the polka dots. And then for the gray card, I made this one with our sprinkles of life. And I made the cloud into a snowman. And I'm going to have another video to show you how to do that. Hope you like this video today and go make some polka dots. Until next time, happy stamping.